Here we are, New Jersey Avenue, walking towards the Capitol Hill. As you can see, there's a lot of snow. And it's still snowing a lot too. That's a car.